Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from STK Life 9 to Oppo Device. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones, tapping on the search bars and typing in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. I already did that over here because it was taking a couple of minutes to download, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, then confirm, continue, and finally allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download anyway and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to click on Send on STK and Receive on Oppo. Then click on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will select all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a lot of time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Oppo, choosing Allow and pointing the device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here, 599148, and tap on this red button with Receive on it. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!